Thank you, Juice Blank, for letting us know.
Yeah. So now we know that it's like filled with bacteria.
This is science. Ball science.
Yeah. That's why, siguro kung bowler ka, just bring your own so that you don't have to use anyone else's.
I think that's what we need to start doing. We need to buy our own balls.
Yeah.
Our balling bowls.
Our balling bowls. Yeah, correct. And then iba yung toilet ball. Okay? So, coming from Rhyme and Reason.
Number 6.
Signs na invested ka na, true story, gumagastos ka sa in-game purchases para magka-items ka to further yourself in the game. One time, umabot ako ng 8K just for a card item in Ragnarok Online. Actually, 8K is not so big if it's cumulative. Like, for example, like Pokemon. Parang, that's not really a lot. We usually spend much more than that. Pero if it's 8K for a single item, that's a lot. Kasi like, for example, for us, it's coins, but like Pokecoins worth. So, alam mo yun, you buy different things.
If it's a single item. But
Pero
like, for
pag
example,
single item, that's expensive.
But if you pay 8K, I mean, for me, not counting the new, like, event ticket purchases, 8K would probably be like 5 months.
What do you mean?
8K would probably be like 5 months of point purchase.
Yeah, I know. Pero, di ba, it's not so bad. Kasi at least, ano siya, nagagamit mo siya all throughout. Pero you, like, one item, like, imagine I don't know what the card item is, but, like, can you imagine in Pokemon, you pay 8K for a something, like a pose, or...
That's too much.
That's too much.
I would never.
Yeah, I mean, I know we're addicts, but I don't think we'll go that far. Pero kunyari nga, 8K for, I don't know, an experience. Like, for example, it's a ticket you go to Singapore to play GoFest. Parang, you know, yeah, I'd probably do that.
I think
nga,
we
parang
have done that.
Parang you're paying for a lot naman eh. Your 8K goes a long way. Pero one item, I don't know. I wouldn't do that.
Yeah.
From Simply Nedge.
Number 5.
Yung nag-start ka ng petition para i-renew ng bagong season yung canceled series na naging favorite ko. And people have saved shows because of that.
Oh, for sure.
Yung
Kasi
kinancel na siya nung network, tapos because of the fandom,
yeah.
and everyone started
love.
doing the petition, parang binalik siya. What was that recent show na parang na-cancel siya, bumalik siya pero in another network? Was it Sense8 ba? Or
No. Sense8 was...
Cancelled na ba?
Yeah, that was cancelled.
There was one. Parang binalik siya, pero not in the same place. Parang nilipat siya ng ibang network. If you know what I'm talking about.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Oh, maybe.
Sabi ni Juice Blank.
There. Maybe may mga ganon na parang like, maybe you just find a new home. So, kung ayaw na siya nung unang network, yeah, maybe you can revive it in another. But that's how you do it. You kind of like see if... Alam ko they did this for Sense8, baka lang it not enough.
Si Lucifer din, Queen Elaine says.
Oh, Schmucifer. Let's stick with Schmucifer.
But it's the name of the
I
series.
know, but let's call it Schmucifer.
It's Lucifer.
No.
After telling that joke,
No. And from Anti-Sedulous.
Number 4.
Signs na invested ka na. Ang style ko when it comes to emotional investment, I only invest in a relationship only as much as they reciprocate.
yeah.
Yung parang, if they're not reciprocating, I'm not going to invest.
Why would you
Zero.
invest?
Pero kunyari so obviously, ikaw yung nauna, di ba? So you give a little bit, right? Let's say you give 10. And then they reciprocate 10. Oh, okay. Then I'll give you 20. And then if they reciprocate 20, okay, then I'll give you 50, you know, emotionally.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, I mean, that's very smart. Because if they're not giving back, why? Why would you keep giving if they're not giving back?
But unless that's what you're into. Again,
I guess,
there are
yeah,
some
I
people
guess.
who like to give and they just don't like to get anything in return.
No, excuse. I think I beg to disagree. I don't think they don't like to get something in return. It's more like
No, I
yun yung
mean,
nakasanayan nila.
Yeah.
Maybe because all their lives, it's always been like a one-way thing. Alam mo yung medyo laging ikaw, parang medyo unrequited. So you're always giving. Parang naging comfort zone mo na siya. So even when people are not reciprocating, okay ka na, nabe-breadcrumb ka. And yeah.
Yeah.
But
that's
I
probably
don't think, but you know,
Kasi they're used to it.
nasanay na eh. Pero obviously they would want it to be returned. It's just that maybe people just don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. And from Space Witch,
Number 3. Number 3.
signs na invested ka na, yung happy and contented ka na at least friends kayo, rather than not having them in your life at all.
Yeah.
Ako depende. You know, if I'm not really super into them, then yeah, I'd rather have you as a friend. Pero pag serious, kunyari serious crush or serious unrequited love, parang I'd rather that we're not in each other's lives.
Yeah, but you don't hurt yourself every day thinking about what could be, even if it probably will never happen.
Very Jungkook, yung kanta ni Jungkook, yung Hate You ba yun? Yung parang basta yung theme ng song, parang I'd rather hate you so that I don't feel the pain. Parang so I can get over you.
That one, yes.
Yeah,
yes,
di ba?
I remember
Parang ganon. Pag serious pag yung mga happy crush, tas nalaman mo na walang gusto sa'yo, di okay lang. Let's just be friends, you know. At least you're in my life. At least I still get to enjoy your company. Pero yun nga, pag yung mga tipong, alam mo yung, you're pining for them, it's true love, your heart is breaking in a million pieces, I'd rather that out of sight, out of mind.
Out of sight, yeah.
I'd rather not hang around you.
Yeah, I feel a similar thing.
And from Al Macchiato,
Number 2. Number 2.
signs na invested ka na, yung tuloy-tuloy na yung pagbasa ko, na hindi ko na mamalayan yung oras. Tapos malalaman ko na lang, time to wake up na pala. And I spent the entire night reading the book because it was so gripping. I miss this. I don't
miss that
remember the last time I had something like this. Na yung super, I've read books here and there. Pero yung ganito na sobrang gripped ako with what I was reading. Parang ang tagal na.
Well, this happened pre-internet, I guess. But like, I remember those times when I'd bring a flashlight into my room in Norway.
Sure ka, flashlight.
At 8 years old.
Okay, flashlight.
A flashlight at 8 years old.
I'm talking about when you were like in your...
I didn't read books anymore at that time. I stopped reading. I just started reading Chico.
Yeah.
Because it's fundamental.
It's fun.
But like, when I used to read like Chronicles of Narnia, the Harry Potter books,
that's the difference between us. Kasi by the time the Harry Potter books came out, I was already an adult. So I was enjoying Harry Potter books as an adult. Ikaw, you were reading them as a kid.
yeah, I was like 12, sorry.
At no cost